Oh, look in there.
Oh.
Shine a torch in there.
Hang on, I'm gonna get the torch.
Oh. Oh,
I thought it'd be like that, eh?
That's so bad.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rappers scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, the air. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking game.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is Monday, the day after Matsuri weekend, and it's pissing down rain. So finished work early. I'm gonna head up to Dad's house where the S13 is, and we're gonna start investigating what went wrong on Saturday night when we had a. If you haven't seen that video, go check out the Matsuri episode where I blew up the S13, which was not fun. Zara was meant to be driving it on the Sunday, and then she wasn't too happy with me. Her last words when she left to go home on the Saturday night was, "Don't break it." Yeah. Also, on the night, we got it back into the pits, and I dropped the oil, and it was just pretty much water, so milky. So the oil and the coolant is mixed, which is obviously not a good sign. Thought head gasket at first, but it doesn't turn over at all, so probably not going to be anything good. I'm looking for a new LS1 at the moment. If anyone knows anyone, we're going to throw a new one in. If you like this type of video, please like, comment and subscribe. It helps me out heaps. We're trying to grow the channel, and all you guys supporting me is freaking awesome. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. If you want to see anything else, any other sort of content that I don't normally cover, or anything in particular, just put in the comments below and we'll do a video on it. So, but we've got heaps of content coming up, lots of different things, so stay tuned for that. Let's go.
Just take this spark plug out. Holy shit!
This is a good one, and that's one that's been hit from the top.
What's in there?
Oh, that's not good. What even is that? It's like parts of the engine.
That's crazy how
It's
that's
gonna be,
there.
yeah. That means it's come all the way up through that whole manifold to get to there. That's the end of the line.
Yeah, that's not good.
We spent the whole afternoon just removing all the bits and pieces that are attached to the engine. Pretty much ready to go. Just got to remove the tail shaft, drop the gearbox fluid and the gearbox crossmember, hook up the hoist, and then we're going to pull it out. Alright, this is the second day. Just got up to Dad's house. We're going to take the LS out. So when you're taking the engine out, make sure you disconnect everything first. Just this line. Just gotta undo that, and that should be out.
Fuck living lies, rap is the truth, and yeah, the spotlight ain't what it seems. All I know is if it's all a dream, man, I don't wanna wake up, man, I don't wanna wake up, I'm never gonna wake up, I don't wanna wake up, man, I don't
here, just jacking it up to put it on the engine stand. If you noticed, I'll leave one leg off until I get the engine on, because it's always in the road of the crane. How easy is that?
It's pretty easy.
Pretty bloody easy compared to doing it.
Remember last time we were mucking around for so long?
Yeah.
And it was only like the C8.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was tiny.
As I say, I struggled so many times doing that.
Yeah.
And I found a little secret. It's fucking easy.
You're pretty happy about that, are you?
I'm very happy.
So we got the LS on the engine stand. Now we got to get it from here to in there. And this is just like the most bush track you can find. We're going to end up here.
And also they're easy to get apart.
Yeah.
You didn't think you'd be able to lift a whole V8 motor and a gearbox out of the car.
With the seatbelt.
with 2 seatbelts.
Do you always use the same seatbelt?
Yep. Proven, tested, mate, tested.
Yeah. You can sell it.
Underdog in this shit, I'm right. I'm insane, you saying I'm right. Gonna go pop and jump the gun. I'ma go Phoenix like the Suns. I'ma go down and run it up. It ain't over till it's done. Kick this bitch just like a punt. What you need it, yeah. Buy it, then receive it, yeah. Give it, then receive it, yeah. Energy is beaming, yeah. I believe it, yeah. Dream it, then I see it, yeah. Season every season, yeah. My presence is my being, yeah. Stop it, I'm on it. I see it. My options, I flip it.
Here we go, guys. What are we going to find? One's good. That's good. We haven't really found anything yet.
I've been making all hits on a Friday. Back then I was getting like no plays. I'm never gonna change no Kanye. Gotta get a Lambo like Green Bay. I made a lot, but then I gave a lot, and now I had enough. But I've been keeping up, and now I pay the price to what I'm dreaming of. I had to sacrifice, and now I see the love. Everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in the cubicle. If I did it, then you could do it too.
Oh, look in there.
Oh,
Shine a torch in there.
hang on, I'm gonna get the torch.
Oh. Oh,
I thought it'd be like that, eh?
That's so bad.
Have a look at the back of that.
Oh. That's been banging around in there.
Yeah. Holy fuck. That's... Oh no, look, the block.
Yeah, that's
Fuck.
the hole I was looking for.
I didn't want that. I think that's fucked. Oh, look at that one there. There's another one up there, look at that.
I tried to get it out, but it just all fell in. Wait, that's like stuck there. That big.
That's fucking crazy.
There's a lot of bits in here. What's that?
Oh, it's a ring.
You probably reuse that.
It's an oil ring.
Yeah, you just straighten it out, get a hammer. See if I can get a bit out. They're like very large chunks, eh? Here we go. What's that?
No, it's a piston.
That's the top of the piston.
Yeah.
Oh my god! That is...
That's been munched.
Boy, that is so bad.
Oh.
Literally just exploded.
Uh-huh. Crazy.
Some big, like, bearing or something.
There should be lots of big bits in there. That's only like an eighth of the piston.
What's that? Bit of tin.
It's probably a bearing.
What's that bit from?
Piston.
That's the other half.
Yeah, or another piece of it, you mean? Another quarter, another eighth.
Is that how big the pistons are?
Yeah. Well, they've got to go around in there.
Yeah, that's a massive piston.
Oh, there you can see how big the piston is there.
They look like brake calipers. Brake discs.
No, rotors.
Pads.
Pads, yeah.
There's like, is that the crank?
Yeah, it's a oh, look at a hole in the crank there.
Oh.
Man, that's...
Wait, this piece here is like wedged in there, you can't move it.
Just about to take the sump off it. See what sort of goodies we have in here.
This is where all the marbles are going to be at. Where am I going with it?
Just tip it up and we'll have a look.
Stuck.
So I thought, holy shit, there's bits and pieces everywhere.
That's got holes in it, that
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Fuck yeah.
There's a rag behind you. Yeah. Somebody's been shooting at you, mate, or
It's blown holes in it.
bullet holes in it.
Just a spot weld and should be right.
Look at that oil pickup. That's what fuck your motor.
Yeah.
Too much junk in your oil pickup, mate.
You have to clean that out.
Clean her out, she'll be good as.
Yeah, it's all blocked up.
Here comes the reveal. Oh, look at the box of goodies we have in here.
It's not that bad. That's fucked.
See that piston down there? See how it's broken the conrod?
Oh, yeah, right there.
Alright? That's what happens. So that's how they go through the side of the block.
Yeah. That's like way off where it should be. Oh, look at that one.
No, they have two on each. Oh no, what'd you drop?
Pieces, that's where it joins on.
Yeah.
It snapped right there.
Yep.
They should have made that stronger.
Well, that's why you get forged rods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the piece. Yeah.
That's it. It goes onto the bottom of the piston. Obviously that's broken.
Yeah, but there's something in between that, eh?
No. Yeah. See how long these ones are?
Piece, yeah.
See how long that is there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't get that out.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Look at that. That's the end cap, eh?
Yep. Oh, didn't come undone.
Yeah, it's loose. Then just lock tight.
That's what's happened. See how they got two pistons or two conrods on each crank thing?
Yeah.
So it's side by side.
Yeah.
But on a 6-cylinder or a 4-cylinder, each crank's got its own conrod. Each conrod's got its own crank.
Yeah.
Look at that piston there. Jesus.
That's the good one.
Yeah, it's all still together. I'd be surprised if that cam's still good.
The cam?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be cooked, eh?
Don't
All
know.
that shit rocking around there.
You'd think it would have been hit.
Even just these little pieces would hit.
Yeah.
True.
Here's James cleaning up his pistons.
Just getting ready to go back in.
Throw some new rings on, mate. Should be good as new.
Happy days.
Well, that one didn't come apart.
This is just mangled out.
I think we've found all the pieces.
There's your problem. It's fucked. It's broken.
What do you think, James? We can rebuild it.
I think we need an RB.
Yeah, RBs don't do this.
Well, they do, but mine hasn't yet.
I should say yet.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
So let's put it back together. So this one was actually the good one. And then this one, I think this one's the one that let go first. There's not much left of the piston. That LS didn't last too long, but currently looking for ones for sale. So if you know anyone that has one, let me know. I need one. Gonna chuck it back in. Another one, just because it's straight swap, straight back in, shouldn't be too much mucking around. And then we got Lakeside coming up on the 29th, so got to get that done. It's 3 weeks away. So if we get an engine before then, we'll be right. Probably get one the day before. But yeah, didn't go well. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, like, comment and subscribe. The support's been awesome, and hey to all the new guys on the channel. You're going to be seeing a lot more of the 180 and the S13 and maybe some more surprise cars to come. But yeah, this is pretty much it for the teardown. We're going to be getting a new LS and putting that in hopefully soon, and then we'll be back out there.